I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a device from your Klarna account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the settings gear in the top corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Devices. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Devices or Manage Devices. Tap on it to see a list of devices linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the device to remove. Find the device you want to remove from the list. Tap on it to view more details, then look for the option to remove or unlink the device. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the Remove option, confirm your choice when prompted. This will unlink the device from your Klarna account. Sometimes, you might need to log out and back in for changes to take effect. If you don't see the device removed immediately, give it a moment. I hope this helps you manage your Klarna devices easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.